Welcome to JavaScript Talks. Today we're going to talk about ES6 Arrow Functions. A simple arrow function looks like this. It has three parts, one left side and one arrow and one right side. Left side is used for passing parameters or arguments, and right side is used for returning something or writing the function body. So let's break down this arrow function and understand how it works and how many ways you can write it. So first I'm coming to the left side, or the arguments portion. The general pattern of writing the left side of arrow function is like this. You have to write the arguments in comma separated list. Like in this example, I'm adding argument 1 and argument 2 in this arrow function. If you have 3 or 4 arguments, you can just pass 3 or 4 arguments like this. And if you have no arguments, then you can simply use one parenthesis like this. Now there is one exception in this. In case you have only one argument, so instead of writing like this arg1 with the parentheses, you can just keep the parentheses and you can just write argument 1 and that will work. So you might have seen a function like this, x then arrow x plus 1 like this. As you have only one argument, you don't have to use the parentheses. So these are the 3 ways you can write the left side of the arrow function. Now I'm coming to the right side. Right side is used for return value or to write the function body. So in your function, if you want to return a very simple value like any number or any string, then you can simply return that. You can return array as well. Or suppose you have some value x as the argument and you want to return one calculated value like x multiplied by x, you can do that. You can just calculate and return. So in all these cases, we are just returning one simple value. We are not adding any function body. But if we want function body, then we have to write a curly brace. This function body will work similar to the regular function. You can return something x plus 1, and if you don't have any body, then you have to just simply write the curly braces. Now there is one catch here. In the first 3 lines, I have written one arrow function that returns one simple number. Second line, I have written one arrow function that returns one string, and in third line, one array. But what if we want to return a simple object? How can we do that? Can we write this? Is this gonna work? You can notice that this notation is similar to the function body. Then how can you differentiate this return type object and this empty function body? So that is why if you want to return one object, you have to wrap it with one parenthesis. And wrapping is possible in all the cases. Even if you want to return one simple number, you can just wrap it with parentheses. That is also possible. So these are the many ways you can write arrow functions. Now that you know how arrow function works, let me give you an exercise for you. Tell me how this function works. X, arrow y, arrow z. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe for more videos and JavaScript tips like this.